Welcome to our IGCSE language class. Today I'd like to talk about descriptive essay. The students who are from Cambridge or who are from Edexcel, they should answer descriptive essay. So this essay is very essential. Before starting this descriptive essay, we should know first what is descriptive essay. Definition. If I tell about descriptive essay is a paint. It paints the picture in words. So when you students are answering descriptive essay, it should be paint a picture by words, because you should not tell the stories here, or you will not tell the stories or any kind of incidents. Better you should paint the picture by your vivid language. And remember, you must engage the reader by sense and imagination. Descriptive essay, dear students, descriptive essay can be a person or a place or any event in detail. Here I have given two examples, like you can see here a day at the beach, and if you think about one thing is your favorite place. So when you got the word your, that means you are engaged in that essay. So a little bit story or experience can be described. But if we tell about the first one, a day at the beach, these things totally you will describe the atmosphere, environment, and it should not be add yourself in this essay. So let's talk about how can you describe vivid language as well as descriptive language. Vivid description techniques can be implemented by our 5 senses, like we can describe our sights, sounds, or any kind of smell, or any taste or any texture. So these senses can be described by adjectives and adverbs, even though you can add verbs. So by these 3 things, adjectives, verbs, and adverbs, this can come from your vivid language well. For an example, here I have given one example, sparkling water. So I have mentioned what kind of water? This sparkling water. Or if I tell any kind of aroma, this is fragrant aroma. This fragrant aroma comes from your vivid description, like fragrant aroma. Or if you tell about the water, sparkling water. So these adjectives, or if you add adverbs, or if you add verbs, this can come from your vivid description well. This technique essential in your exams. So try to add these adjectives, verbs, or adverbs for creating your vivid description as well as these techniques. If we talk about the sentence structure, many students are asking me what kind of sentence structure should we add. So it can be mixed short, means you can add more simple sentence, complex sentence, or compound sentence. But the thing is that if you add more short sentences, it will be appreciated in your description. And you try to add metaphoric description, like you can add metaphors, similes, or personifications. I have given here one example. How can we create our metaphoric lines? The wind, here I have given example, the wind whispered secrets through the trees as the sun kissed the horizon. So here this whisper word, it is for the human being, and the wind, the non-living thing, that confirms the human activities that can come from a personification. So if you add personification or simile or metaphor, that will be appreciated in your in your descriptive essay as well as in narrative essay both. So sentence structures are highly appreciated. Then come the frame of your essay, like if you have introduction and body and conclusion, and this well explanation by your 5 paragraphs, it can be appreciated in your essay writing. Or if you tell about vivid language with some different short sentences, that will be highlighted in your descriptive essay. If we tell about our introduction, many students are asking me, how can I create my introduction? I will say in descriptive essay you can add at the very beginning vivid scene or any question or sensory detail can be the hook techniques. Or if you tell the exposition of the essay, that will be highly appreciated too. So another one is we are always thinking, how can I conclude my essay? So here I have telling you, you can develop your powerful conclusion by using some summary of your incident. Like you can wrap up with some personal insight. That means you can add some your lasting impression that will be effective to you. So here I have added 2 different types of essay here. You can see in Edexcel curriculum it is commonly coming describe your school, but in Cambridge curriculum is coming describe your school during study hours and after study hours. So in Cambridge curriculum it is seen that 2 events are described, but basically in Edexcel it is 1 incident. So no matter how many incidents you are answering, the matter is how can you well developed by your vivid language and different types of sentence structure with 5 paragraphs near about 400 words. So if you want to learn more, join with us IGCSE language with register. It will be very helpful to you. That's all for today. Thank you very much.